In 2019, a global travel study revealed something fascinating. Among millions of travelers across 180 countries, one landmark in the Middle East ranked among the top 5 most visited on Earth. Not the Eiffel Tower, not the Colosseum. It was a mosque, a place of worship so breathtaking that even non-Muslims stood in silent awe the moment they entered. That place is the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, the crown jewel of Abu Dhabi and a symbol of unity, faith, and impossible beauty. The story of the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque begins not with architects or builders, but with a dreamer. Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, the founding father of the United Arab Emirates, once said, "A nation without a past has neither a present nor a future." He envisioned a mosque that would not only serve as a spiritual center, but also as a bridge, connecting cultures, faiths, and generations. A place where the architectural traditions of the Islamic world could meet the craftsmanship of the modern age. Construction began in 1996, and it took more than a decade, over 11 years, to bring this dream to life. When the mosque finally opened its doors in 2007, it was not just a building, it was a message that faith and beauty can unite humanity. Walk through the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, and you'll notice something extraordinary. It's not purely Emirati, not purely Arab, not purely Persian or Mughal. It's a fusion of the entire Islamic world. The design blends elements from Egypt, India, Turkey, Iran, Morocco, and even Andalusia in Spain. More than 40 nationalities of artisans, craftsmen, and engineers came together to build it. The marble, imported from Greece and Macedonia. The chandeliers, crafted in Germany, from millions of Swarovski crystals. The carpets, hand-woven in Iran. One of them is the largest handmade carpet in the world. Every inch of this mosque whispers stories of collaboration, art, and devotion. The first thing that strikes you is the white. A sea of pure white marble that seems to glow under the Arabian sun. The mosque is built with more than 100,000 tons of marble, carefully selected for its pristine color and reflective quality. It houses 82 domes, over 1,000 columns, and 4 towering minarets, each rising more than 100 meters high. But it's not the size that takes your breath away. It's the harmony. Under daylight, the mosque shines like a pearl. At dusk, it blushes gold and violet. And at night, the entire structure changes color, reflecting the phases of the moon. Yes, the lighting system was designed so that the mosque's exterior subtly shifts hues as the moon waxes and wanes, a poetic tribute to the lunar calendar that guides Islamic tradition. Step inside, and your feet touch one of the most remarkable works of art ever created, the largest hand-knotted carpet in the world. It stretches across the main prayer hall, covering more than 60,000 square feet. It was woven by 1,200 Iranian artisans over 2 years, using wool from New Zealand and Iran. Every thread was dyed naturally, and every knot, more than 2 billion of them, was tied by hand. When it was completed, the carpet was so massive that it had to be flown to Abu Dhabi in pieces, then stitched together on site. The precision was so extraordinary that the carpet's design aligns perfectly beneath the mosque's central chandelier, as if the art and architecture were breathing in rhythm. Above that carpet hangs a sight that seems to descend from the heavens, a chandelier so large that it weighs over 12 tons. It's made from gilded stainless steel, 24-karat gold, and more than 1 million Swarovski crystals. There are 7 chandeliers in total, each one custom-built in Germany. But the one in the main hall, standing 10 meters in diameter and 15 meters high, is a masterpiece of light, color, and geometry. When the sunlight filters through the stained glass, it scatters into patterns across the marble, as if the walls themselves are alive with light. The Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque isn't just about materials, it's about meaning. Its walls are adorned with verses from the Holy Quran, written in 3 distinct styles of Arabic calligraphy. The intricate carvings, the floral patterns, and the verses all carry a spiritual rhythm. reminding visitors that beauty and faith are inseparable. Above the mihrab, the niche that indicates the direction of prayer, the words are inscribed in elegant Kufic script. Allah is the light of the heavens and the earth. It's not just decoration, it's devotion made visible. One of the most powerful aspects of the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque is its openness. It's not reserved for worshippers alone. It's open to people of all faiths. Every year, over 6 million visitors walk through its doors, Muslims and non-Muslims alike. Guided tours explain not only the architecture but also the values, peace, tolerance, and understanding that Islam stands for. It's a place where silence becomes universal language, where tourists remove their shoes and step barefoot on sacred ground, realizing that respect and beauty need no translation. Step outside into the courtyard, or san, and you stand in one of the largest open courtyards in the world. Its surface gleams with mosaic marble designs, delicate flowers inspired by Persian and Mughal gardens. Each petal was cut and inlaid by hand, forming a pattern that stretches across 17,000 square meters. At sunrise, the marble reflects the first golden rays. At night, it mirrors the moonlight. The effect is almost otherworldly, as if you're walking through a painting made of light.
Every detail of the mosque carries a message. The color white represents purity and peace. The floral motifs symbolize paradise, the eternal garden promised in the afterlife. The 7 crystal chandeliers represent the 7 heavens in Islamic belief. Even the number of domes, 82, has a rhythm, a mathematical harmony inspired by ancient Islamic geometry. Nothing here is random. Everything is designed to reflect divine order, to remind humans of their place in a grander design. The Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque is not just a monument, it's a conversation between civilizations. Christian, Hindu, and Buddhist artisans all contributed to its creation. Italian marble, German crystal, Persian carpets. The materials themselves form a dialogue across borders. It's the physical embodiment of Sheikh Zayed's belief that tolerance and coexistence are the foundation of strength. And in a world that often divides over differences, this mosque stands as a reminder that beauty can be a bridge when built with understanding. Today, the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque is one of the most photographed places in the world. But behind every photo, there's silence and reverence. During Ramadan, the mosque hosts tens of thousands of worshippers every night. During Eid, the courtyard fills with families, laughter, and prayer. And when tourists walk through its gates, guided by volunteers who speak every major language, they're not just learning about Islam, they're feeling it. Through art, through space, through peace. At the heart of the mosque lies the final resting place of Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan himself. Visitors often stop silently by his tomb, reflecting on the man who dreamed this monument into being. He built it not as a display of power, but as a gift to his people and to humanity. And though he passed away in 2004, before its completion, his vision lives on in every reflection of marble, every curve of dome, every ray of light that dances across the mosque's walls. There are few places on earth that combine art, faith, and unity with such grace. The Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque isn't just a masterpiece of architecture. It's a living poem. A poem written in marble and light. A prayer cast in stone. a symbol that in the heart of the desert, humanity can build something that touches the heavens. From every corner of the world, people come to see it, and they leave not just with photographs, but with peace. The Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque stands as a timeless reminder that faith can inspire beauty, and beauty can inspire unity.